This is the video for you. E6 Sicilians. Today I will show you the Sicilians with E6 as the second move, in the second part of this Sicilian series. The E6 Sicilians tend to be more positional, with long-term strategy and gradual pressure build-up. Taimanov. The Taimanov is the most common and stable form of the E6 Sicilians. The goal is to develop the dark squared bishop to b4 to double and isolate white's structure after his knight goes to c3. This variation can transpose to a lot of other lines and is resilient to early mating attacks. The con is a variation which seeks to develop a pawn complex on the light squares to make the dark squared bishop a good piece. Black shouldn't trade on c3 in this line. Black will typically expand with b5 and put his other bishop on b7. White should combat this by playing c4 for a Marcosi bind. This is a slightly unsound, highly tactical variation in which black seeks simply to apply pressure to c3. White can respond with e5 and queen g4 with a tactical battle that slightly favors white to come. If this video was helpful, please like, comment, and sub.